Hello everyone, my name is Fune Kumamiro from the University of Allen. Today we are going to talk about a very interesting topic, how seeds grow. But before we talk about how seeds grow, it's very important for us to know what seeds are. Seeds are the reproductive structure of a flowering plant. They contain the embryo, they contain they con they, con- they contain nutrients for the plant to grow. They have a very protective layer. Seeds are important for our ecosystem and they are important for farmers because they use them to grow their crop. As a student, it is very important for you to know what seeds are. It is very important to know what seeds are because it will help you know about the life cycle of a plant. It will keep you aware of the way plants grow or where the food come from. Like for example, every day you see tomatoes, but you don't know where they come from. If you understand the life cycle of a plant, you know where seeds come from. So I would love to really share this topic with you today. Let's share my screen, then we go to what seeds are and how they are important for us. So before I share this video, I would love you to pay attention to everything that comes up here. Sorry. So after watching the video, I'm sure you have ever wondered how seeds grow or how they turn to the beautiful green plants we see every day. So when you watch the video, you can have an imagination of how they grow. Today we're going to learn how the seeds grow. What do you think about seeds? What do you think about what do you think about what they need before they sprout? Remember this always. Seeds need water, air, light, and enough care and attention for it to grow. Let's watch another video so we can really get experience on how seeds grow or how farmers do plant their crops.
Do you know how a plant grows? It all starts with a tiny seed. When a seed gets water and warmth, something magical happens. It begins to grow. The roots of the plant grow down, down, down into the soil. It holds the growing seedlings in place. Soon after, the stem reaches up, up, up towards the sky. The young seedlings grow leaves that catch the sunlight it needs. Almost like magic, the plant starts to make its own food. As the days pass, the plant gets bigger and bigger. And guess what? Some plants will also get pretty flowers and yummy fruits. Inside the fruits are seeds from which new plants will grow. Isn't that amazing?
So from the video, we can see that seeds need water for them to grow. They need sunlight for them to grow, and moreover, they need our care and attention, like I likely said, because you need to check if there's enough water for the seeds. You need to also check if there is enough sunlight for the seeds or air for them to grow. It also shows from the video that the seeds, which is tiny, will turn out to be a fruit, then the fruit will turn out to be a seed again for the next life cycle of a plant. So it is very important for you to have care, attention, and when growing your seeds or when you need them to sprout, you need water. Most importantly, you need air. So despite the fact that seeds come from different, despite the fact that we see different types of fruits, we can't just plant maybe a potato and we expect tomatoes. There are various types of seeds. We have seeds that comes from tomatoes. We have seeds that comes from carrots. We have seeds that come from different types of plants. So depending on the seed you plant, you will gain different fruits, or it will sprout in a different way. Maybe the leaves might have different structures, but you have the seed you plant is what you have at the end of the day. So without seeds, we will not have the various type of food we eat. I hope this helps you, and you can try it out at home with a little cup. You put water and a damping paper, then you put a seed, then you give it love attention, you put it outside for sun. And most important too, you need enough time for your seed to grow. You don't just put a seed today and the next day you expect it to sprout. You need time, you need attention. That is why you have to continuously check on the seed to ensure that there is water and there is light for the seed to sprout out. So you can try this little experiment at home. I hope this serves as an important information for you to know how seeds sprout and know where your food you eat come from. Thanks for watching.